What's going on YouTube? This is Chris Division here, and I just thought you know how in one of my previous shorts that I've introduced you guys to one of my kitties. There she is. There's my cat. So you probably know the story by now that we actually rescued it from a snowstorm, and we've kept her ever since. Now, it just didn't feel right to leave a cat out there in cold weather when it's icky and snowy. You know how that feels. So, what I'm gonna do today is, I thought, with a cat comes cat toys. So I actually brought out here a collection of them. This is one. This actually is a mousy laser pointer. You know, let's showcase it. She hasn't really, recently she hasn't really been playing with their toys that often. So I just thought I'd showcase them off to you guys. There we go. All right. Where would be a good place? There you go. Toy. Maybe we got the toy basket. Here should be good. There. Here, floof. Here, floof. Come here. Ooh. Ooh. Do you see the laser point? Do you see the laser point? Ooh. Do you see it? Do you see it? Ooh. So here. Ooh. Can you get it? Get the toy. Get the toy. Get the toy. Oh. Can you get the dot? Can you get the dot? Okay. So she knows how to follow it, but doesn't really reach out for it that often. Here's another one. This actually guy reminds me of when we go when there's fishing. Let's see how she reacts. Kitty kitty. Do you see the fishy? Did you get the fishy? Can you get the do you wanna would you like the fishy? Do you want the fishy? Ooh. Do you want the fishy? Do you want the fishy? Would you like the fishy? Look, it's the fishy. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Get the fishy. Get the fishy. Oh, caught. Oh, caught it. Oh, oh. There she goes. There's her playfulness. There it is. Oh, goodness. Looks like she's really going at it with the fish. This is definitely going on this is definitely going on YouTube. This is just this is just ridiculous. So yeah, guys, so apparently the rod apparently works best when, and this we have used my grand. This is like a treat container thing. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but you can use it and the cat will swat it for treats. Looks like there's one more in there. Yeah, there's one more. And then we have this thing. Ooh. You see the toys? Do you love to play with the toy? Just gonna have a look. Come on, let's try the laser pointer again. Here, Floof. Do you want to catch? Do you want to try and play with the dot? Where's the dot? Do you want to follow the dot? Oh, there she goes. Come on. Get it. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting something. Now we're getting a react. Now we're getting a. Now she's getting hyper. Can you say hi, YouTube? Where'd it go? Oh, where'd the dot? Where'd the dot going? Where'd the dot going? And we also have, and we still have this. Let's see if she'll play with it. Do you see the ball? Oh, see, put it closer. What's that? And then over here we just have some like mousy, just some mousy, just some little balls and some of, and we also have this to comb out some of her fur. Well, those are it for my. This is my cat show. These are my cat. These are the showcase of my cat toys. And you know, if you want to see any more videos like these in the near future, please subscribe to my channel, and there will be plenty more content for you guys coming. See ya.